Welcome back to Crazy Bill's Garage, and today I got something new here, and it's furious looking. ArmorAll Furious Wet Tire Shine. Now this stuff is solvent-based shine, lasts up to 6 weeks. So right at the top of the scale, as you can see, this stuff looks explosive. But if you can see that, you know, I don't feel like I want to read that off again. I've looked at it. So if you want to pause the video and take a look at this, hopefully you can. There we go. And we'll see. So I have 2 tires here. One set up here, one set up here. There's a thing here it says that if you don't get the shine you like, spray it again. Directions there on the directions. And I have to shake this, I believe. And it says there that if you don't get the shine you like, spray it again. So we're going to do one once. Let it dry. We're going to do them both once. Let them dry. And then we're going to do the other one again. And then we'll compare. See if this stuff does shine even more with the second coating. So, just got some random wheels here that I found lying around. So we're going to give her a good shot of this Furious. I like that. Furious. Highest shine formula. Oh, we're going to see. Look how shiny that tire is. That's a pretty shiny tire there in the on the can. But yeah, give me a sec. We'll give her a spray. All right, just read over the instructions again. All right, let's get to spraying this, and we'll see how we do. Oh, it's not a very wide spray pattern, is it? Huh. I thought it would be a wide spray pattern. I shook this pretty good, too. Just like a paint spray. Hey, you want to do this outside? I am in a garage, so. But it's the big door is open, and yeah, you definitely want to. Whew, that is some smell. So let's do the second tire. This smaller tire will be the one that I do spray a second time. So, well, this would spray a little better. So, I'm going to leave it. It says let's sit for 10 minutes. So I'm going to let her sit for 10 minutes. Might need more. I got a nice breeze coming through here, though. So they should dry off, and we're going to see. Normally I don't like shiny tires on a vehicle, but this seems like right now she's going to shine. We'll have to see how well it goes. So in 10 minutes I'm bringing you back. We have been 10 minutes, and it looks wet still, so I'm going to leave it another 10 minutes and see how she looks. But yeah, she still looks pretty wet. And I got a good flow of air coming through here. And wow, this stuff. I don't know if this is this second tire here is going to need another spray of that good old Furious spray. I think it's going to be shiny the way it is. So I'm going to leave her again for 10 more minutes. And we'll come back and we'll see how nice each one of these are doing. Well, we're at 25-minute dry time now, and I don't know if it's supposed to be this shiny, but wow. It is. And I don't know if I should spray this tire again. It seems to be fine and shiny. And if you didn't find it shiny enough, you'd spray it again, but I don't know, it's pretty shiny. But I got a bad feeling this is not, she's not dry. With my fingerprint in it. You know what, we're gonna leave her another, you know what, I got time. Let's leave her another hour and see. This stuff is taking forever to dry. Is this a good formula? I know it's got solvent-based shine. Lasts up to 6 weeks. Yeah, because it doesn't come off. I don't know. It didn't say anywhere that it was a foam spray. I thought it was. But no, it's just a spray you put on your tires. So, I'm going to leave her another hour. And, yeah, we'll come back after that. And we'll give a look. I don't think I got to spray this one again. This one either. They're pretty shiny the way they are, but I'll just let them sit for another hour and see what happens. So, I don't know if there's something wrong with that can, but it is shiny. Like, it is shiny. Like, is this formula supposed to stay, like, this shiny? Probably. That's probably what it's supposed to do. It is for the wet tire shine. It's wet. It's got a wet tire shine going. Every darn thing will stick to it right now. I shook this a lot and everything, but is this the way? Well, I'm going to say yes. This is the way this ArmorAll here kind of does it. So, car show guys should like this stuff. Not to be driven down a dirt road after applied, I'm sure. Or you might not like that. But this isn't the way I like it. But who knows? I'm going to turn one of these tires around. I'm going to shake this up again really good. And then I'm going to let it sit on the other side. And I'm going to see if it gives the same result after. I did shake it pretty good, but then there was a point there where I put it down for a while and then had to come back and spray. So maybe I'm just going to shake shake it like it's never seen before. Try it on the other side of this tire here, and we'll see if it's, well, like this. Wow. She is shiny. So I shook her for a good minute. Look at the difference here. This shiny stuff compared to this. I'm only going to do a portion of this tire. You know, bottom portion. It looks a little different this time. I shook it like you wouldn't believe. Alright. Now, I'm going to come back in the morning, take a look, see if it actually looks different than what this does. Hopefully it does, because I believe you really got to shake this stuff up. So I gave her for like 5 minutes of shaking. So we are the next morning. There's that tire I sprayed. It's got the wet look. It definitely got a wet look to it compared to when it's not. Yeah, this isn't the kind of stuff I would use. Maybe for a car show or something and you got shiny tires. But this is the next morning after I sprayed these. And I'm going to say, this would not be for me. So I think I'll give this to the brother-in-law. He might like this. No, he would probably not like this. Ew, it's so, it's got a greasy feel to it here, like, ew. Sorry, ArmorAll, this isn't for me, but for somebody else, it definitely is. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Leave a comment. Leave a like. And I'm sorry this one took so long, but I had to get to the root of why this seemed to be so, yeah, kind of just greasy looking. Anyways, thanks for watching.